To import plan versus actual, you're going to want to start by preparing your data. You'll see in this example that we have typical columns like row ID, swim lane, sub-swim lane, and the milestone and task title. You'll then notice that we have two sets of columns for dates. These are your start and end dates for your planned and actual, respectively. Once you've prepared your data, we can begin the import process. To import your data, start by selecting New within Office Timeline. From here, click Import Data. From here, select Microsoft Excel, or you can select from a list of your recent files. This will bring up a wizard to walk you through the process for importing your Excel file. On this step, you can click and select your file. You'll also notice that at the bottom, you have the option to learn more and download the appropriate Excel sample. Your next step is to select the worksheet that you want to import and also confirm your table header. When mapping columns, select Column Options up at the top right of the window. Here you can enable Plan versus Actual. Before continuing, make sure that your planned and actual start and end dates are mapped. Finally, select your rows and click Import. You can now view and edit your planned versus actual in the Edit Timeline view using drag and drop, or in the Edit Data view, where you can type and adjust the data.